my God, I'm so sorry I'm late. It's so traffic. Oh my gosh, late na ba ako?
No, you're not. You're just in time for your 10 a.m. ophthalmologist appointment.
What do you mean, Miss V? I'm here for Tara Park's billboard photo shoot.
No, dear. I'm here for the Tara Park photo shoot.
Pero ako yung ka-collab niyo, Miss V. And dahil sa campaign ko, kaya tumaas yung sales ng Velma Beauty, remember?
Well, that's why I booked the best ophthalmologist for you. Because mukhang malabo na yung mga mata mo. Hindi mo makita ang reality na ako pa rin ang mukha at boses ng Velma Beauty.
Miss V, kung hindi dahil sa akin, walang Velma Beauty Bright and Light Concealer na viral niyo.
Exactly. Velma Beauty Bright and Light Concealer. Emphasis on Velma. But don't you worry. I'm gonna give you credit for the success of this campaign. Kahit alam naman natin kung kanino dapat ibibigay ito. Excuse me. Okay, I'm ready to shoot now. Let's go.
Hi, Tara!
Mwah! Mwah! Okay.
Miss Shari?